All right, so this is the hotel hunt video in Khajuraho. I already have a hotel where I'm staying. It's pretty good. The only downside to that hotel is that the way to the hotel, because it's in one of the local villages instead of the center, it's kind of difficult to get in and out. There's not a proper road like this, and because it's the monsoon season, there's a lot of sludge and muck, and so it's not a very nice experience walking in and out of the hotel. And also it's kind of far. If you want to come into the market, it's a little bit of a walk. So on booking.com I saw another hotel which was not really in the center, but at least near the road, which is a lot cheaper. And the only thing is that it does not include breakfast, but it has aircon. It also does not have any reviews, so I don't want to just book it and be disappointed later. So I thought while I was here, I'll go check it out, and if it's good enough, then I'll move in here tomorrow. Or check in here, not move in. So, wow. So let's go and check out the hotel. I'm now walking towards the hotel. I think it's a little over 300 or 400 meters from where I am right now. So this hotel is proving to be hard to find. I mean, it shows on Google Maps, but on Google Maps there's no roads or anything leading up to the hotel. So this is the only way going in the direction where I wanted to go. So, oh man, let's keep carrying on. Let's keep on keeping on. This is a dead end. It's supposed to be here, but I don't know. It's not marked. There's no boards. Wow. Will I find this hotel? That is the question. So far, it doesn't look like there's not even anyone here that I can ask. Oh no, there are people there. But they're construction workers. I doubt that they would know where the hotel is. Huh. These are just houses, and there's nothing else. I don't know. Let's find someone to ask. Look at these dark clouds. They're gonna ruin my plans of visiting the waterfall. So maybe I need to spend another day to wait for nicer weather. Dude, where is this thing? I didn't see a single board or a sign pointing to the hotel, or even pointing out that there's a hotel out here. I think I'm gonna have to throw in the towel here, because I asked the people who were living there, and they've never heard of this hotel. So, and on booking.com they don't have a specific address, so there's no way for me to. I mean, I asked a few people, and they seem to never have heard about it, and the pictures look nothing like anything out here. So yeah, I guess that's a failed hotel search. That's what I'm gonna call this video. Hotel search fail. Dumb traveler is unable to find hotel. Something like that. Alright. I mean, I don't mind the place that I'm staying at it's good. It's good enough. Except the roads. Everything else is pretty good. Oh man, I hope it doesn't start to rain while I'm out. That would be the worst. So And if it starts to rain, there's no way I can go to the waterfall today. All right, well, I guess this is it. I'm heading out. I don't think there's a way for me to find this hotel without booking it, and I don't want to book it without looking at the rooms because the ratings are pretty low, 6.7. So I don't want to risk living in a shitty place instead of the decent hotel that I already have. So, and the food is good out there and it's cheap. So, well, you didn't think I was going to give up like that, did you? No, absolutely not. Is that the kind of impression I want to leave on people? To just give up? Hell no. So, the hotel hunt continues. And I am determined to at least find something. I'm determined to at least find something instead of just giving up and not, trying at all. So I don't know about my chances though, but I'm not giving up, not yet. The weather's good. The black cloud is passing behind me, and we're gonna keep going and try to find another cheap hotel. So the hunt continues. It's not over yet. I've reached this gate. I don't know if it's private property or what. It's open, so I guess I'll just see myself in. Man, I hope it's not private property and I'm not trespassing right now. Alright, let's see. I mean, it didn't say it was private property. But there's this little, I don't know what it is. Yeah, surrounded by like a jungle. Will I find a hotel here? We'll see. Whoa, look at that bird. I don't know what kind of bird that is. It's up to the bird experts to figure out. Alright, there's the man there. Let's see. Let's see what we have. He had a sickle in his hand. He could have decapitated me right away for trespassing, but he didn't, so I'm good. Alright, well now I'm giving up because I tried, and according to booking.com, these two hotels that I was trying to find were the only cheaper ones than the one that I'm staying at right now. So I guess that's a wrap. You can call it a fail, I guess, but at least I tried. So let that be a lesson. Don't give up without trying. Or don't give up at all if it's something you really want. I already have a hotel. I was looking for options, so that's why I'm giving up so fast. So that's gonna be it for this failed hotel hunt video. This time, for real. Because I'm not going on another hotel hunt. Alright.